Hi everyone, this is Sunrise May bringing you a tour of a one-bedroom value villa in Disney's Animal Kingdom Jambo house. Room 5024 is located near the elevators with a pool view. You have a nice, spacious kitchen when you walk in that has a full-size refrigerator, microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher. There's plenty of counter space for prepping, and you have also a nice island that can be moved to different areas of the kitchen and can serve as additional prep station or serving. There is a full-size closet where you can hang your items or store your luggage. It has the extra pillows and blankets for the sleeper sofa, along with the ironing board and iron for you to use. The bench seating is quite comfortable and roomy, can easily sit 4 to 5, and also serves as a great place for entertaining. The TV is right above the additional cabinets and drawers for storing items, and the sleeper sofa is also located conveniently in the center of the room. This room had a nice view of the pool. We really enjoyed being able to walk out in the afternoons and hear all the different happenings and the activities that were going on in the pool. We had a nice view of the resort area right off of the lobby, and you can even see, hiding behind the trees, the location of the jacuzzi. Since we were close to the elevator, once we took the elevator down to the first floor, we were right next to all the different amenities for the pool and the fitness center. Once you come across the living room, you can make your way into the hallway where you will find access to the bedroom and the bathroom. There's some nice artwork that definitely goes with the theme as you walk into the master bedroom. It is a king-size bed and does have the traditional armoire closet that is found in most of the Animal Kingdom studios. You can find some additional hangers along with the safe on the top. The TV is on top of the extra drawer and storage space, and is also next to a small desk area that has a chair that you can use for additional seating in the bench. There are 2 tables on either side that have USB ports, and then right between the bathroom and the bedroom you have the top-down washer dryer along with some additional storage space for luggage on the right-hand side. You have a single sink along with a vanity mirror that is lighted, and you have a jetted tub along with your shower. So this is a little bit different than the other one bedrooms. Usually you have a jetted tub separate from a walk-in shower, but since it is a different layout, you do have the shower along with the jetted tub. So you will have to pick whether you want to actually use a tub or a shower. There is a separate room right next to it for the toilet, and it does have a door that can close along with a full-size mirror right behind it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more tours.